welcome back to the channel. It's chilly. Yeah, it's Tuesday night, January, I don't know, 16th, 17th, around there. Being Tuesday night, usually it's shop night. I'd come out, work on the 48, maybe one or two of the guys would show up and help out. However, so it's pretty cold, and with single digit temperatures and double digit wind speeds, even with the wood stove, it's harder to keep the shop all completely warmed up to a nice level. So so tonight we're calling it. We're not gonna have Jeep night tonight. I came out here to feed Leo. He's got a nice warm room in the back. It's a small heated room where his food and water and kitty litter are, so he's comfortable. He's got a kitty door he can get in and out of, so don't worry about Leo. We keep him warm and comfortable. But yeah, it's kind of cold for Jeep night tonight, so let's see what else we can do. Dang it. I can't figure that thing out. So I'm staying inside tonight. It's pretty cold out. I've been pretty happy with the progress we've been making though. So I've ordered parts. I ordered a bunch of parts last night. Some small stuff, some of the bigger items. They should be here Friday. So I'm looking forward to this weekend or Tuesday night with the guys, getting back at it, getting more active. Like I said, I'm really happy with the progress so far. In one of the other videos, I set a date for February 2nd as a kind of a goal for first fire up, turn the motor over. I didn't think about the day of the week. Tuesday nights are the nights. Today's Tuesday. Tuesday nights are the nights I'm usually out in the shop. So I think the 2nd is like a Friday. So I don't know if it'll be the week before or the week after, but we're going to shoot for that general time frame, early February, to get first fire up. So may not be on the 2nd, because on a Friday night I'm probably not out in the shop. But so tonight, yeah, just gonna hang out, stay warm inside, wait for the parts to get here so I can get back at it. Might try to figure this thing out some more here too. Thanks for watching.